Me, I love extracting. Now, this meeting is about to end in 7 minutes' time. Let me still see what we can do before it finally ends. All right. Now, we can extract.
So I have a question.
All right.
What's the difference between replace values and fill down? What's the
And what?
difference? Just
Replace and what?
replace and fill. What's the difference?
Okay. The thing is, when you replace, you are replacing a particular value that is maybe that is there. Just like, let me explain it with this way. This is a value 2345, and somebody said, please, can you replace 2345 to 5432? So that means I am exchanging 2345 to 5432. That is replace. Now for fill, now if you come to this place, you will notice, um, if you right click this, you will see a place called fill up. Now let me show you. Let me click fill up first. When I click fill up, you will notice it did not really carry out okay, let me go back and check. I want to show you something. Fill down. So for filling just work um, differently from replace value. Like, maybe you want to fill, how should I even explain fill now? Maybe you want to refill your data sets. I don't know how to even explain it in a way you will understand this concept. Um, but
Oh, is it that? Sorry, is it that it fills a random number or don't know?
is it a what?
I say it's not filling it with a specific number. Maybe it fills it with a random number.
Okay, okay. Just a
And
moment.
that's
Okay, you said if it's filled what?
own assumption. Could it be that, like, specific number that you selected yourself,
Okay, all right.
it is it with a random number,
Okay,
like a number that the Power BI itself selected?
okay. Well, let me see. Let me check if everything you are saying. We're going to test it and see. I'm going to also give you a better explanation to feel. I will give a better explanation to feel. But let me just. I want to try it again. Uh,
Okay, no problem.
we can't fill a specific number. We can't fill a specific number because um, you can only replace a specific number, but you cannot
Yes, yes.
fill a specific number. I don't know if you understand that concept now.
I understand. I understand.
Yeah. So you cannot, because I just check it now. You could see there is nothing like fill. So
Yes.
maybe I just, well, I've not really worked with fill before, but to my understanding, I think fill will just randomly fill your
Yes.
entire data
Yes.
set if it noticed any missing value.
Okay.
Yeah, possibly. Yeah, but why replace is
Okay.
specifically for a particular value. Okay, is anybody saying raising up hand?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm raising up my hand. Good evening.
All right.
Yeah, good evening. I wanted you to at least run a check. Let's try it, what this man is saying. Let's see if we can randomly do something.
All
Maybe we
right.
can just delete some spaces there so that we can test run it.
Okay. Okay. I think that's wise. Let me go back. Let me just uncheck this one. Then let me. There was a place postal code. Okay. Let's try that. Fill. Fill down. Okay. Let me try it. Fill up. Well, fill does not really do anything specifically. I think is Okay, you know what will happen? I will go and make more research about replace and fill, then I will update you guys in our next class. Hope that is fine.
Fine.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
Alright, so I'll go and make. I've not really worked with fill before, but I'm specifically about replace. But I will make more research about it, practicalize, at least try to bring it up into practical approach. Then I will update you guys next class. So let us just replace this value with what we have initially. All right, this meeting want to end. Should we proceed with this meeting, or you guys are already tired?
So let's continue, please. Thank you.
Me,
I
I'm
want to.
tired.
All right, now look at, take
I'm
note
tired.
of this. Now look at, we have last name and first name. Now let's assume in your analysis now they want to join two columns together, last name and first name. Instead of having last name, first name, we just want name. You understand? We just want name, just name. So how do we join these two columns together? So you highlight this column, highlight this one, then there should be a place to merge. So we have append and we have merge. Now we can merge queries and we can append queries. You understand? Now, but one thing is, somebody's mic, I don't know, probably is on. But we are not dealing with append and merge. Now, just go to add column. When you go to add column tab, you will see a place called merge column. Click merge column. So when you click on
Meeting is ending, sir.
eh?
The meeting is ending.
Hey. Okay.
Pick another, just even if it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes.
Alright. So let me just quickly wrap up, then I will just, it has ended. I think it has ended. Alright, so we were trying to merge this together. Now if you look at separator, is it a column, comma, equals and semicolon space tab, costume? Well, merge columns. What are we merging is based on what? Okay, let me just click OK. Is not merged. Okay, let me go back and click on merge. Let me merge by. Okay, let me see if I'm to merge by space, then click on OK. Let me go back and check. Okay, this has worked already. Oh, so let me go on. It worked. Let me go back and let me remove this. Let me remove this as well. Then I want to just make, let me see, am I highlighting any other thing again? Oh, this place is being highlighted, no wonder. So let me go back and only highlight we want to highlight contact first name and contact last name. So hold your control key and select the two, then go to merge columns, separate term. What do you want to use to separate the both of them? You can separate them with a space, then click OK. So once you do that, you should see it here. So this is it. So we have merged the surname and the name together. We have merged the surname and the name together. So this is how to merge columns together. In case you are being asked, merge the two columns together. We just want a name instead of first name, last name. So we can now delete this column. We can delete, just click on delete. Alright, so you can rename a column. Just rename by double clicking this head, and you can give it a name. I can call it name. I can say full name. Alright, and full name is already done. So this is how to merge columns together.